Marquis Properties is pleased to present cash flow investment properties located in the greater Kansas City area. Unlike other areas around the country, Kansas City has not experienced the massive job loss or economic downsizing that other cities have faced. In fact, Kansas City is a vibrant economic center centrally located within the United States and is home to corporate giants such as Sprint, H&R Block, Hallmark, Garmin Electronics, and trucking giant Roadway Freight. And it's not just corporate businesses.
It was a gala weekend in Kansas City recently with opera in one brand new hall and in another some hometown jazz. All to celebrate the brand new $326 million Kauffman Center for the Performing Arts. The city needs and wants a great deal from this project, an economic and energy boost for its downtown. Jane Chu is the Kauffman Center's CEO.
There's something about a building like this that spurs on other people to want to keep a high level of activity going in their areas. It's like if you swept your own porch and in your own neighborhood, and other houses looked over and said, he's sweeping his porch too, I better sweep mine.
With lower taxes and regulation, Kansas City is not only a great place to do business, it is also a great place to live. With two successful sports teams, the Kansas City Chiefs and Kansas City Royals, Kansas City is an attractive location for families and businesses alike. Here is a report from the American Monetary Association explaining in greater detail the benefits of investing in Kansas City.
As the transportation hub between all four corners of the United States, Kansas City represents a vibrant market for investors. Between transportation, agriculture, and other forms of commerce, Kansas City represents a fundamentally sound city with a solid economic base. The importance of a steady economy like Kansas City is that it does not typically exhibit the same level of volatility as other market areas with higher taxes that are more tightly regulated. The reason is that low tax, low regulation environments can support bread and butter industry that operates at lower profit margins. When the tax and legal burdens are increased, only high-margin companies can survive. Kansas City experienced a prolonged period of steady value appreciation up until its value peak in 2006, and only a minor correction afterward. The 2008 financial crisis only impacted Kansas City modestly, as its values had already contracted. The subsequent years saw moderate price volatility that appears to be approaching a bottom in 2011. We anticipate modest net value appreciation in 2011 as Kansas City joins most other linear markets in a regression toward fundamentally sound valuation. It is a solid market that provides an excellent opportunity for income property investors to build the basis of their portfolios.
Because Kansas City has a strong economic base and a large population to support a housing market recovery, Marquis Properties has invested many years and considerable resources in the Kansas City housing market. Marquis has perfected the acquisition and renovation process and has the best property management in place to maintain your investment property and tenant relationships. Now is the time to invest in cash flow real estate. Call one of our property representatives to find out more, including property availability and pricing. Call now.